Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty of Fashion. And today we are diving into a topic that both personal and instant woman underwear. Whether you're here for style tips, comfort, recommendation, or just the same good old fashioned longer knowledge, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our content. Now get started. When it comes to underwear, comfort is key. It's the first layer of clothing we put on and the last thing we take off. So let's talk about same key factor consider for everyday comfort. Seamless design opt for seamless underwear for smooth look and clothing, preventing any unwanted lines. Fabric material look for breathable fabric like cotton or moisture wicking material for all day comfort. Now, let's talk about style from practical to playful. There a wide range of options to suit every mood and occasion. Everyday basic invest in a comfortable everyday basic panties that make you feel good from the inside out.